Hey everybody, so today I am going to do something a little different. I'm going to do another attempting a type of makeup. I did attempting e-girl makeup not too long ago. I will link it up in the cards. And today I want to try the like super Y2K graphic eyeliner trend. Now, graphic eyeliner is already a trend, right? We see it like Chrissy Chalpaca, the above the crease wings, the double wings, the inner wings, lots of eyeliner happening. I specifically want to try, I saw Naomi John do this look, and can we just take a second? Naomi John is everything. But I love how this was like heavily inspired by those terrible 90s tribal butterfly tattoos. So I want to do that. I love this trend because it's literally like just putting the Y2K aesthetic just on your face. So we're going to give it a go. I have multiple different types of eyeliner here. I have glitter here. I already have foundation in my eyebrows done because I have a feeling this is gonna take me a while. I do have some like little butterfly tattoos up that I'm gonna use for like reference. Like I like it that one. I think that one could be fun. I don't know. We're gonna have a good time with it. Before we get started, make sure to like this video if you enjoy it. Please comment your suggestions. I was going back and forth between this one and traditional goth makeup, so traditional goth makeup will probably be next. What should I try after that? I really like exploring these different like styles of makeup because I feel like makeup is just exploding and there's so many different styles that are coming back that I haven't tried or I've only tried once or twice. So let's try it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to finish up my base by putting on a little bit of contour and blush. For contour, I'm going to use the Milani Silky Matte Bronzer in the shade Sunkissed. And I'm really just going to shape up my face a little bit. I'm doing this first because pretty much all the graphic eyeliner is going to be like this entire portion of our face. So obviously it probably won't be very successful if I try to put on bronzer or contour after that. I was really excited. I have these little clips and I have an eyeliner that matches the clips. So we might do a little bit of like green, like teal in there too, like a black and teal, like glittery butterfly. I don't know. Okay, I kind of want to do like a pink blush. I'm gonna try this Milani blush in the shade Coral Cove. And we're just gonna think like this color will really complement the teals. We're just going to pop that like up on the higher portions of our cheeks, almost basically on the temple and the corner of the eye. And then we're just gonna go across the bridge of the nose. Okay, I don't know if I should put on any eyeshadow at all. I might just do a little bit in the crease just to like, you know, continue shaping the face, you know? I don't know. I'm just going to take just a like transition shade and pop that through the crease, and I'm going to flick it out. Okay, I'm nervous, but let's get going. I think the first thing I want to do is I really want to do like teal fading into black, so we'll see how this works. But the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this KVD Lemmy Green Longwear pomade. I'm going to start my eyeliner in the corner here with this green shade, and then I think I am going to try to do a little inner corner flick with this as well. Oh God. Well, we're off to a great start. I have a feeling this is going to be a trust the process look literally the entire time. Tell me why I have Butterfly by Crazy Town stuck in my head. Okay, we're gonna start there. And then what we're gonna do is I have two, I think I'm gonna start with this Covergirl one. I bought myself a cheap eyeliner for this look because I didn't want to use up all of, the NYX matte liquid liner is really good, but it's a pain in the ass to take off sometimes. So for the sake of sanity, I picked up this Covergirl liquid liner, and we're just gonna start. So I'm gonna finish up this wing of eyeliner. How am I gonna blend these two? I don't know, but I am going to place the black really close to my lash line, like underneath the grain. And you know what? I'm going to underline the flick. Then with this wing, I'm going to bring it out, and it's gonna be the lower portion of one of the butterfly wings. Okay, then we're gonna start in the middle here. Oh God, I don't know what I'm doing. But this is going to be the top of the top butterfly wing. I'm gonna have to do all of this on the other eye. And then you're going to swoop that down. Okay. Come my lady, come my lady. I think I'm just gonna sketch the general shape that I want and then go from there. So then I'm gonna go from the bottom here to make this like outer, like the bottom wing. Oh God, this eyeliner is just not doing me what I need it to do. And then I think we're gonna do like a little like dot at the end here. That's not a dot. Okay, I'm gonna switch to the NYX matte liquid liner. Okay, I'm gonna look at my reference to figure out what I wanna do from here. It's lots of swirls and lots of like teardrop shapes. So I'm going to do a little like filler in here. A little teardrop shape like that. Should I be doing this also on the other eye as I go? Maybe. Am I gonna do that? No. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. I'm gonna do a little swirl right there. Oh God, eyeliner, come on. Okay. 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 Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. We gotta fix that. Uh-oh. This is not good. Okay. I didn't mean to do that, but we had to make it work. We're going to do another little like shape here, I guess. I don't know. Oh God. Okay. I'm gonna fill that in. Okay, we're doing things. Trust the process, y'all. Like this is happening. This is really happening. Okay. Okay. So now I'm gonna kind of shape the bottom wing here. Okay. Does it look like a butterfly? Maybe. Maybe it doesn't. It's like abstract. Okay. I don't know what to do from here. I really don't. Okay, well, my camera is overheating, so I'm going to try to replicate this on the other side while I let my camera cool down. And then we will continue with whatever the fuck is going on in my face. Okay. Be honest, besties. Scale of 1 to 10. How good did I do copying that? I feel like down here it got a little wonky, but I'm gonna give myself like a solid 7.5, I think. I think she's okay. I think she's pretty fun. Okay, we're gonna continue like filling in the shapes here. So what I'm gonna do is just fill it in with more. I'm gonna fill it in with more shapes. I'm gonna do exactly what I just told you. I don't know how I feel about that shape, but like, do you see I'm trying to do like upper wing, lower wing, you know? Also, if you want some good like 90s, 2000s throwbacks, I'm gonna be listening while I take pictures for this look. I'm going to be listening to my, oh my God, what's it called? Guilty Pleasures But Not Really playlist. I will have it linked down below. It's just a Spotify playlist that I've made. I'm gonna add some teal, I think, to the bottom here. I'm just going to follow the line, this lower line right here. Just add some of this teal to, I don't know, make it look pretty. I love trying to explain what I'm doing when I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just painting my face, which is really what this looks like. This looks like the adult version of like children's face paint that you get at the fair. Okay, I think I'm gonna fill in this upper corner right here with the teal as well. I'm really kind of doing this though, like I am kind of popping off with this. Okay, I feel, oh, I didn't do my inner corner on this eye. You're my butterfly, sugar, baby. Okay, I want to do like a little curl right here, but I'm terrified. I'm so scared to fuck it up. Okay. 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 Okay, get it nice and lubed up. Okay. Oh God, hi. How are you guys doing? Okay. It's a little chunkier than I was expecting, but that's okay. Those don't match. This is cute. I am not mad. I think this is turning out so cool. I'm really excited about it. What do? I think I'm gonna like do some finishing touches on it. Like it's not done, but I wanna like highlight. I might put on a little bit. I'm gonna put on some green eyeliner. This is the RawbeautyKristi green eyeliner. Just gonna do the outer portion of my lower lash line. Okay, what else do I wanna do? I wanna do, I think, a little bit of glitter. This is the Colourpop Fresher Than You gel glitter stuff. I'm just gonna take that on a little like domed pencil brush, and I'm going to pop that in this inner corner area. That's fun. I feel like I need it in another area, but I don't know where. It's tutorials like this that I really wish y'all were just like in front of me. Maybe I should live stream these so that way I can like get live suggestions as I go. I did some lives on my TikTok. Should I do those again? Then if I do a live, I can't do a tutorial. So I feel like whenever I do a live and then I post a look, people are like, tutorial, and you know, vice versa, but I don't know. That's fun. This is fun. Oh my God, this is fun. Okay. Okay, let's highlight the face. I'm gonna use the Anastasia and Nicole Guerrio Glow Kit, and I'm gonna take the shade Forever Lit. This one's awesome because it has like a nice kind of bluey undertone, but it's not blue. I'm gonna use that to highlight the bridge of my nose. Do you see what I mean? Like it's super icy, so I feel like it matches really well. We're gonna highlight the tip of the nose, and we're also going to take a little bit above the brow and really just highlight, give ourselves like a dewy look. Do I wanna do black lips? What do I wanna do for lips? I feel like I should stick with the 90s and do like a brown lip liner and lip gloss moment. You know what I mean? The only thing about this glitter gel, it's really fun, but like it's not good to like wear out because it will make your it'll make your eyeshadow crease. Obviously with a look like this, like if you're going to like a festival or if you're going to work like this, more power to you. You know, there's not really too much eyeshadow that it can disturb. Do I want to add anything else? I think this is pretty fun. I'm having fun. Are you having fun? Let's keep having fun. Okay, I am going to use the NYX matte suede lip liner in the shade Brooklyn Thorne, and I'm going to line my lips. This is more of like a purpley brown, but again, I feel like the cool tones will just like complement each other well. And you know what lip gloss I'm gonna use? I bet you know exactly what lip gloss I'm gonna use. It matches perfectly. I have to, okay? It matches perfectly. I'm gonna wait to put this on though because I still need to do lashes. So I don't want to do like crazy lashes because obviously I worked very hard on this eyeliner, so I want to be able to see it. So I'm gonna use, the tray is disgusting. Don't judge me. The tray is disgusting. But I'm gonna use the Kiss lashes in the style chiffon. This is what they look like. I'm gonna go put on some mascara and these lashes, and then I will be right back. Okay, I am very happy with my lash choice. I love this makeup, y'all. This is so much fun with the matching barrettes. Okay, let's finish this up and pop on some gloss, and then we will be good to go. Colourpop RawbeautyKristi Glacier gloss. I can't stop using it, and for obvious reasons. I just feel like every look that I do, this just like goes. Oh my God. This is so much fun. Oh my God, I love this. I live, I die, I'm gagging. I love this look so much. It's so fun and funky. I really want to wear something like this to work. Like maybe like a little bit, like if I just did like that, I think that would be so much fun. I love this. I want to do more graphic eyeliner looks. I understand why they're so popular right now. Like they are so much fun. Let's see. Let's just set the face so we get a little bit dewier. This is the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hylauranic Setting Spray. I love this look. This is so much fun. Okay, thank you all so much for watching. Let me know what kind of makeup you want to see next. And thank you all so much for tagging me in looks that you see on Instagram. Please continue to tag me in looks that you see on Instagram. God, sometimes as a YouTuber, I'm just like, God, we say this stupidest shit and just repeat ourselves over and over and over and over, but whatever, it's what we do. So please, like I said, tag me in looks you want me to recreate. Let me know if there's any like specific types of makeups you want to see. I definitely want to do like a traditional goth makeup because I've never done that before. But I had so much fun doing this. I feel like I want to go to a festival. I want to go listen to some fucking Smashing Pumpkins. Like I'm having a great time. I love this. So I hope you all did too. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.